In this video, I will explain what is a management trainee. A management trainee is an entry-level position and professional who is trained to become a future leader or manager within a company, typically part of a structured training program. Management training recruit and rotate through different departments to gain hands-on experience and understand the organisation operations and develop leadership skills through problem-solving and decision-making. These programs are designed to prepare trainees for long-term roles in management, giving them a broader understanding of how the business really works and helping them build skills that they need to take on higher responsibility over time. In addition to gaining practical experience, management trainees often receive mentorship from senior leaders or participate in workshops or formal training focused on leadership development, communication and strategic thinking. The goal is to groom them for key positions within the company, often in areas such as operations, marketing, finance or human resources. Successful trainees are typically evaluated through the program upon completion. They may be offered permanent roles that align with the strengths and interests, setting them on a clear path towards management. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.